अगर इतनी दूर से आए इसको मौका देते हैं बोलने का, मैं तो बोलते रहता हूँ। आजा।
Good morning, everyone. Am I audible? Yeah. How are you? How's the Josh? Sir is quite right in saying कि हम लोग इतनी सुबह सुबह we also used to come here and study. So first of all, let me introduce myself. I am Sagar Setia, rank 66, CSC 2016-2017 batch, Punjab cadre, posted as Additional Deputy Commissioner, Firozpur. I just walked in yesterday to sir's office casually because yesterday was mains result also. He thought that a student has come after clearing the mains to take the guidance, and that how I used to behave when I wrote the examination. So I still have to recall some things related to sir. I remember he told me when we had to write prelims to the this class, like we used to sit. There was a bigger class sir, थोड़ा सा और बड़ा class था वो. हाँ सर, नहीं सर, नीचे वाला उधर बेसमेंट में, कि भाई प्रीलिम्स क्लियर करके आ जाओ, बाकी मैं अपने आप देख लूंगा. तो दैट वाज हिज स्टेटमेंट एंड आई रोट इट फ्रॉम माय प्लेस. आई बिलोंग टू लुधियाना, पंजाब. रोट इट फ्रॉम देयर. रोट फर्स्ट एग्जाम. I'll tell you what marks I calculated. Wrote CSET also. Then as soon as I left, I called him. At 4:30 exam finishes, I called him at 4:35 that I've done my part. Tell me when I have to come now. So that is the level of confidence. What I mean to communicate is that is the level of confidence you should walk out when you write an examination. So in that prelims, I got around 160 out of 200 in the first. Later doesn't matter, I had to pass it. But what I'm trying to say is that is the level of confidence you have to write the exam with. That is what is the basic expectation of this exam, that you go and hit the bullseye and tell everyone, "Ji, mera ye maine kar liya, this part is done, now this is your thing." Now, yeah, of course, everyone remembers their preparation days. I also remember. सबसे सर अच्छा टाइम होता है, मतलब this is the most important and the time you will remember also, but not to be extended too much. What sir was also saying. तो आज भी कोई पूछता है कि कौन सा टाइम सबसे अच्छा था, तो ऐसे कि जी ORN का, एंड आई डू कम हियर ऐसे ही रैंडमली आपकी तरह बैठे हैं. समटाइम आई ऑल्सो थिंक किया मेरे को दोबारा बैठना चाहिए, बिकॉज द काइंड ऑफ नॉलेज गेन, the kind of personality, the attitude you build in yourself is from here, not from the Mussoorie. Certainly this has been coming to you maybe regularly now. एक aspirant series भी आया सर, उसमें भी this was a good dialogue. मैंने देखा नहीं है पूरा, but somebody told me कि preparation start from here. वो संदीप भैया होते हैं सर, I think he says that कि preparation starts from this place, and this is quite a thing. The time you spend here, 8 to 9 number of hours, whichever is the capacity, is going to inculcate in your personality. You are going to get intellectual. You are going to speak on each and every topic. That is what is the whole preparation is about. And that will be informed. Whatever you will speak will be based on facts, based on material things. So I have not come here as in prepared also, but I'll just speak about this place which have contributed. So sir used to run a T50 batch. I don't know sir, abhi bhi? Acha sir, T50 hai. Great, yeah, good. So we were also part of T50 and then this newspaper class. And sir, frankly, मैं आपका जो ये patented idea मैं बाहर अभी भी प्रचार करता हूँ. I to teach them. So whosoever I meet, the unique approach the institute and sir has about the how to read newspaper and how to link it is, in my opinion, is one of the most wonderful tricks that you will ever see. फिर उसके बाद में that you have to take down your notes and everything. So should I tell sir how I do it? How I used to do it? Okay, sir. So what used to happen was sir used to teach us 5-7 newspapers in one day. कभी 4, कभी 10 भी हो जाते थे, depending upon the content. Then immediately you must be having a paper and you used to write it. So that is, I think, most useful thing that you can ever do, and that is no current affair notebook is going to give you, because there is one difference. Can you tell me what is the main difference between other material and this? What is the difference? One difference, only one. I would like to ask what is. I'll give everyone a chance. What is the difference? One. Okay, what else? He's bang on target. These notes belong to you, not anyone else. I, Sagar Setia, would write a certain, information in certain way. You being Naveen, being कुछ आप तो वहां थे ना भोपाल में. Yes. तो कुशलेश will like write it in a different way. or what is your name, bro? Prashant will write in another way. But there is one uniqueness, that is that it belongs to you. So that makes the difference. So whenever I gave any notes of mine to anyone, I told them कि भैया अपने आप इसको एक बार जरूर अपने हाथ से लिख लेना. Because I have written based on my knowledge. I may write in a very short thing which I know the background. I may write very exponential about something which I don't know anything about. So इस माहौल में जहां पे आप बैठे हैं, where you are sitting, that what unique and everything differentiate you with is this thing, that whatever you are writing, it belongs to you. It is not written by who is preparing from last so many years or some teacher or something. मतलब this belongs to you. So when sir is dictating, I used to थोड़ा लिख लेता था, थोड़ा नहीं लिखता था, because that is he is giving so much information to you. Now it's up to you what more, what you know, what do you want to write it, and what you remember, what you want to remember, what is the addition. So that's one part.